The Parliament of India is divided into two houses, two chambers, that's bicameral system of parliament. The upper house, the first house is the upper house and the second one is the lower house. The upper house is also called as Rajya Sabha and the lower house is called as the Lok Sabha. Lower house doesn't mean that it has few powers and upper house has many powers. No, it is the inverse. Lower house or Lok Sabha has much more powers and much more majority than the upper house and Rajya Sabha. It is just a terminology in the Constitution of India. Now we will look at what this Lok Sabha means and what this Rajya Sabha mean. These are simply the two houses of the parliament headed by the president. President is the head of the parliament, but president is not the member of any of the houses of the parliament. Rajya Sabha includes the council of it is the council of states, and Lok Sabha includes the house of people. These are the there are the members who are directly elected by the people. These members represent a particular constituency in their states, but the members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected. They are indirectly elected by MLAs of the state and the president of the country. How the president elects these members of the Rajya Sabha? They for their achievements in the fields of art, science and tech, knowledge and literature. These are a total 12 members who are elected by the president. Otherwise, all other members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the MLAs of the concerned states. Thus, you will remember here that the Rajya Sabha represents the state and the Lok Sabha represents the constituencies. The members of Rajya Sabha are 245 in number, and the maximum number may go up to 250. This should not be exceeded. 250 mark cannot be exceeded here. Now you will remember 245 members are there in Rajya Sabha, and the maximum capacity of Rajya Sabha is 250. The lower house, Lok Sabha, the House of Commons, the House of People, have the majority of 552, and the present membership is 545. This may not exceed this limit. 552 members may not be exceeded in the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha has much more powers than the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha directly controls the money of the country. The budget is presented here in the Lok Sabha. The budget session of the parliament is held in the Lok Sabha. And when any bill of a country is passed, when any major decision is made, it needs the majority from the parliament. First, you will see here the maximum members are there in Lok Sabha, and a majority of bills are passed on the majority of Lok Sabha. So when the bill is presented in the Lok Sabha, then it's passed on to the Rajya Sabha for their reviews. Even if the Rajya Sabha does not agree with the bill, that bill can be easily passed on the majority basis of Lok Sabha, because they have much more members than the Rajya Sabha. Then after passing through both these houses, this bill needs to be presented before the president. When a bill is made, this bill is nothing but it is the written decision of a government. It is the written decision of a government. When this bill is presented in the Lok Sabha, after thorough discussions, this bill, when passed through the Lok Sabha, goes to the Rajya Sabha, then it goes to the president. Without the assent of the, without the approval, without the assent or approval of the president, this bill cannot be passed on. If the bill gets assent from the president, then only this can become the law of the country. Hope you have understood all this. In previous lecture, we have discussed thoroughly about the parliament, where discussions are made. It's the National Assembly of elected representatives. This can make laws. Parliament can make laws, can change laws in the form of amendments, can abolish laws, it controls all the money of the country. And then we come across the two houses of the parliament, upper house and lower house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Council of States. Rajya Sabha represents the states and Lok Sabha represents the constituencies. And this has the majority of 552 maximum capacity, and this has the 250 of the capacity. And 12 members are here elected in Rajya Sabha by the president, who have their achievements in art, science, technology, literature, etc. And all other members are elected by the MLAs of the concerned states. And this was all for today. Wish you all the best from whole team of Asset. Hope you all will work hard in these hard situations. Wish you all a dazzling future.